how are you? I hope you all will be fine and welcome to the semester 2. I hope you all must be enjoying the season of festivals. So today we will do the very first poem in your semester second syllabus, that is Sympathy. Sympathy is by Paul Laurence Dunbar. Now, Paul Laurence Dunbar. First of all, we will do the introduction of the poet. He was an American poet, means he used to live in America, but mostly white people live over there, but he was of black color, and due to this he had to face discrimination also. And he started to write about the people who live in America, the people who were facing discrimination due to their black color when he was only a child. And he was very famous poet, novelist, and he used to write short stories also. And he died at very young age of 33 only. And this poem, Sympathy, he has written this poem when there was American Civil War. Why this war was happened that time? Because black people who were living over there, they wanted to have freedom from discrimination. क्योंकि जो people slave होते थे, black color के होते थे, उनके साथ discrimination किया. Discrimination means भेदभाव किया जाता था. ठीक है? So that is why this war was happened, and this poet has written Sympathy on that theme only. So come, the very first stanza. I know what the caged bird feels, alas, when the sun is bright on the upland slopes, when the wind stirs soft through the springy grass, and the river flows like a stream of glass, when the first bird sings and the first bird opes, and the faint perfume from its chalice steals, I know what the caged bird feels. So, actually, he is comparing the slave person with the caged bird. He is saying that I can understand what will be the feeling of a caged bird and how he should be feel when he used to see the rays of the sun. That sun has been risen, but he cannot go outside. I know when the wind stirs. Wind stirs का मतलब होता है जब हवा चलती है. When the wind stirs, how he used to feel. उसको कैसा लगता होगा? That he is inside the cage and he cannot enjoy the wind. And the river flows like a stream of glass. And when he used to see the flow of the river, flow of the water, and he must be feeling repentance. उसको पछतावा होता होगा that I cannot go to see that water. When the first bird sings and the first bird opes means open. कि जब कली खिलती होगी, when early in the morning, फूल, flowers, ये सब blossom होते होंगे, and birds used to sing. You know that early in the morning, birds usually go outside in search of food. And when the birds used to sing and when the flowers used to blossom, how the caged bird must be felt. उनको कैसा लगता होगा. And the faint perfume from its chalice steals, I know what the caged bird feels. कि जब उन flowers में से वो fragrance आती होगी, खुशबू आती होगी, तो definitely उनका मन होता होगा that we should also be outside, we should be with our friends and other birds, we should be feeling that flow of the water and the fragrance of the flower and the rays of the sun. So in this stanza he has described what kind of feeling a bird must be. कि जो पिंजरे के अंदर पक्षी होता है वो कैसा फील करता होगा. Now come to the second stanza. I know why the caged bird beats its wing till its blood is red on the cruel bar. वो बोलता है कि I can understand कि when the birds they wanted to fly, but they unable to understand that they are in cage, so they try to fly. But in this work, what happened to their wings? Their wings get bruised. Means उनके जो birds wings होते हैं, they get injured. They get wounded. उन पे घाव आ जाते हैं. for he must fly back to his perch and cling when he fain would be on the boa's wing. And a pain still throbs in the old scars, and they pulse again with an inner sing, I know why he beats his wing. So in this stanza he has described the feeling of the caged bird that he wanted to fly, और जो वो उड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, their wings, जो उनके विंग्स होते हैं वो किससे दे पुश अगेंस्ट दी वॉल ऑफ द केज, वो वॉल जो होती है केज के पिंजरे की दीवार तो उसके साथ अपने अपने विंग्स को ऐसे से टकराती हैं, उस पर घाव हो जाते हैं, ब्लड आ जाता है, बट स्टिल अगेन एंड अगेन वो ट्राई करते रहते थे वो. सो इन दिस स्टैंजा ही हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड दैट दे वांटेड टू गेट फ्री फ्रॉम द केज, कि वो इस केज से फ्री होना चाहते हैं. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड स्टैंजा. I know why the caged bird sings, ah me, when his wing is bruised and his bosom sore. When he beats his bar and he would be free, it's not a carol of joy or glee, but a prayer that he sends from his heart's deep core, but a prayer that upward to heaven he flings. I know why the caged bird sings. Now in this stanza, in the final stanza, what the poet is saying that I know why the birds sing. You know that when we have birds at our home, some people keep parrots, pigeons, love birds at this, sometimes sparrows also at their home, and they think that they are singing, but they are not singing actually. They are expressing their pain. They are expressing their feelings to another birds who are outside. वो आपस में बात करते, conversation करते हैं that we also want to be with you, we also want to get outside. तो दैट इज नॉट द सिंगिंग, वो एक गाना नहीं गा रहे होते हैं, समटाइम्स दे स्पीक. तो सो नाउ व्हेन ही बीट्स हिज बार्स एंड ही वुड बी इट्स नॉट अ कैरल ऑफ जॉय और ग्ली. तो जब वो उस बार के साथ अपनी विंग्स को टकराते हैं, इट्स नॉट अ कैरल. कैरल मतलब वो एक जैसे सॉन्ग्स, ग्रुप ऑफ सिंगर जब एक मिलके गाना गाते हैं उसको कैरल बोलते हैं ना, कि खुशी का गाना नहीं होता. इट्स नॉट अ happy song. No, it's not a happy song, but it's a song. It's a song of sadness. अपनी फीलिंग, अपनी पेन आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे होते हैं कि वी आर गेटिंग इंजर्ड, हम घायल हैं, हमें बाहर जाना इंजॉय करनी है, बाहर की लाइफ इंजॉय करनी है. वो एक प्रेयर होती है गॉड से कि प्लीज हमें फ्री कर दो, वी वांट टू गेट फ्री. सो थ्रू दिस पोएम, yes, it's a reality that a caged bird never want to be in cage. कि caged bird है वो पिंजरे में कभी नहीं रहना चाहता, फ्री होना चाहता है. Everybody wants liberty, सबको आज़ादी चाहिए. So through this poem he has described the feeling of slave people, कि उस टाइम जो black people अमेरिका में रहते थे वो white people used to make them slave, उनके साथ ऐसा behave करते थे जैसे वो गुलाम है. So through this poem he has described the feelings and pain of slave people. So with this we have done this poem. Thank you so much, and go through this poem. We will discuss in a Zoom class. Thank you so much and have a nice day.